This video will describe how to correctly produce the S and Z sounds, or S and Z sounds, for speech articulation. There are two ways to make a good sound. First, there is our tongue dipper with our tongue down at the bottom. Then there is our tongue tipper, where our tongue is near the top of our mouth. Both of these will be described in this video. Let's find out which one works best for you. How to make a good sound. This is our first, our tongue dipper sound, where our tongue is down at the bottom. First, we start by saying ah. We keep our tongue down at the bottom of our mouth, close our back teeth, make a smile with your lips, and push out the air. How does that sound? Now let's try it again without saying ah first. So silently say ah. Keep your tongue down on the bottom of your mouth, close your back teeth, make a smile with your lips, push out air. This next video shows how we can make our good tongue dipper sound. To make our tongue dipper sound, we start with our tongue down at the bottom, like we're going to say the ah sound, so our tongue gets down at the bottom. Then we have to make sure we close our back teeth together, smile, and push out air so it goes out over the top of our tongue. How to make our good sound using our tongue tipper, our tongue near the top. First, we can start by saying a t sound and stretching out the sound. Make sure your back teeth are together, make a smile with your lips, and let the air flow over the top of your tongue. Now try it again without saying the t first. Make sure you curl your tongue toward the top of your mouth, but be sure it's not touching the top of your mouth. Make sure your back teeth are together, smile, and push out air. Now here's a video describing this. To make our good tongue tipper sound, we first have our tongue curled toward the top, like we're making a t sound. And then we stretch out that sound. And our tongue is curled toward the top without touching the top so that air flows over. Remember, when making your good S sound, make sure air is coming out over the top of your tongue. Listen, does it sound like our snaky S sound? If it sounds a little like a TH, use a mirror to make sure your tongue is not slipping out between your teeth. If it sounds a little slushy, make sure the sides of your tongue are making a U shape and touching the inside of your back teeth, and that your tongue is not tall and touching the roof of your mouth. Try recording your sound. How does it sound? Use your good sound to say a few words that start with your sound. Sun. Sit. Sing. How did those sound? Did you remember to use your good sound? How to make a good Z sound. First, you start by making your good sound. Now, all you have to do is turn on your voice to make it loud and buzzing. Make sure air is going out over your tongue. Listen, does it sound like a buzzing sound that a bee would make? Now try it again without saying S first. Z. Here's a video describing the difference between S and Z. To make our Z sound, all we have to do is first start with our good S sound, our S sound, and then turn on our voice. Z. Our tongue is going to be in the same position as we made our sound, and we're just going to turn on our voice. That is the only difference. So if you do a tongue tipper or a tongue dipper, you're going to keep that and just turn on your voice. You can feel your neck to make sure that you're turning on your voice. When you say S, our neck doesn't move. When we say Z, our neck does move, and that's how we know we're making our Z buzzing sound. Remember, to make your good Z sound, make sure air is coming out over the top of your tongue. Listen, Does it sound like our buzzing Z sound? If it sounds a little like a TH, v, use a mirror to make sure your tongue is not slipping out between your teeth. If it sounds a little slushy, y, make sure the sides of your tongue are making a U shape and touching the inside of your back teeth, and not getting tall and touching the top of your mouth. Try recording your sound. How does it sound? Use your good Z sound to say a few words that start with your sound. Zoo, zebra, zoom. How did those sound? Did you remember to use your good Z sounds? Thank you for watching. Now, let me know which one you liked better. Our tongue dipper with our tongue down at the bottom of our mouth, or the tongue tipper with our tongue at the top of our mouth. Let me know.